Question number 23. This is GATE 1995. Question is, a small concentration of minority carriers is injected into a homogeneous semiconductor crystal at one point. Concentration of minority carriers are injecting into the homogeneous semiconductor at one point. An electric field of 10 volt per centimeter is applied across the crystal. Electric field is applied across the crystal and this moves the minority carriers. This electric field moves the minority carriers at a distance of 1 centimeter in 20 microseconds. Then the mobility of the minority carriers will be what? Given that there is a homogeneous semiconductor bar, in this at one point minority carriers are injecting and electric field is applied. Electric field is applied to this semiconductor. Then it moves this minority carriers at a distance of 1 centimeter for 20 microseconds. Then the mobility of the minority carriers is what? He is asking that we will write the what is the given data and what we have to. Given data is minority carriers electric field is given 10 volt per centimeter and the traveling distance is 1 centimeter at the time is 20 microseconds. Then he is asking what is mobility. The mobility formula first we need to know. What is the mobility formula is? Mobility is equal, before that how this formula came, drift velocity is proportional to the electric field. Then if we remove this proportionality, put the proportional constant as mu into E. This mu is the mobility of the concentration, mobility of the carriers. So mobility is equal to drift velocity by electric field. So we know the electric field is given already, so we need to find the mobility, drift velocity. We know the formula for drift velocity is equal travel distance by time. Already given distance is 1 centimeter, 20 microseconds. For 20 microseconds, this is 10 power 6 by 20 centimeter per second drift velocity. This is the drift velocity. Now substitute this drift velocity in the formula. Then mobility is equal drift velocity by electric field, that is equal 10 power 6 by 20 into 1 by 10 volt per centimeter into centimeter per second. By solving this, we get the answer as 5000 centimeter square per volt second. This is the mobility. 5000 centimeter square per volt second. Just remember this formula. If you forgot formula, you can derive the formula from this concept also. Drift velocity proportional to the electric field.